With the Cobot Hirebotics, we have an app that tracks everything we do. We do the programming from the app. We track all of our daily logs from the app.
We don't have to worry about backing up our program. Everything's stored in the cloud.
With the app that we have, it makes the job a lot easier. I actually have a tablet at the station for the operators to use, but at the same time, it's on my phone as well, so I can watch everything that's happening at all times.
It's a whole lot easier to use. It's just as simple as pulling my cell phone out, seeing where the problem occurred, so you can about fix the problem on the fly. That's what I really like about that.
It has allowed us to bring a non-welder over here and operate, load, unload, and get production out without tasking manual welders, which we need for more skilled jobs.
The impact on our workforce from going to the Cobot was minimal. What it does is it allows us to take a person who's a little bit higher quality and put them on something that requires more attention versus doing the same mundane task every single day, which a robot, as long as you push the button and tell it to go, it'll go.
All the programs are stored in the cloud. You can pull them up on your phone or on your app. With a traditional robot, we got to worry about USB sticks, making a backup every month. Have to go find that stick again to be able to pull a program down if it got deleted for some reason.
In addition to the ease of use with the app, Cobot itself, one of the very good selling point is the support that you get within the app.
We've had a really good experience with Hirebotics as far as support goes. They have in-app support, which is really responsive. You get answers pretty quick.
Any issues that I've had, I was able to put in a quick chat in the app for support. It's usually within 5 to 10 minutes somebody's responded. Usually within 30 minutes we're back up and running or less. I can check the reports all throughout the day. At the end of the day, I'll get my final report of what we actually did, which allows me something I can't do with a manual welder is I can see things either as they're happening or before they happen. If I see a spike in something, I can go run out and question, like, hey, what's happened, what's changed? Manual welding, you're not able to do that. So usually you're too far gone before you catch it. In this plant, I see all 4 of our robots. The plant manager in our north plant sees his 2 robots, but the owners see all 6 globally, which is very helpful because then they can also see in one shot of what we're doing. Are they being efficient? Are they not being efficient? So the app is definitely helpful.
It's a whole lot less hassle.